Now that we have downloaded Ionic, we can open and consult the project folder we have created. Here it is. And we find inside several folders and also files. There, for example, we have the packages. We will go directly to the source folder. We will go to the app subfolder and consult the HTML page. And very quickly, we see that there are some quite particular HTML tags. Indeed. For example, the tag IonApp is a tag, but with the Ionic component at the beginning. But don't panic, you will find all these components in the documentation on the official website of ionicframework.com. You will find the whole documentation with the installations, UI component, native API, Angular, React, Vue, and Sally. You won't be left alone. On the other hand, we are going to move to the HTML page of home.page.html, and inside we will find the title of the page right here. Ion title as well as the title of the toolbar. And so we are going to try a modification that we can bring. So this we delete. We're going to keep some text with the p tag like this. We're going to remove what we are not interested in, like this. And we're going to add, here is a text, simply. And just underneath, we will put an Ionic component. So Ion button. We will put click here. We will close the tag. And we will add some Angular code in this opening tag. We will simply tell it that when we click on it, we will put on a change text parameter and we will see what happens. Now we go to the page home.page.ts. We will then write our program. We will declare text equals default start of text, like this. Just below, we will put our method on change text, and inside we will put this text equals changed. Simply put, when we click on the bottom, the text will be changed. Don't forget the brackets. I will close them. And here we go. So I replace the text by writing the variable directly with text. And here I click here and the text has been changed. And that's it for the beginning of our project. I will wait for you in the next video for the rest of this project.